Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to my show, where a company may not listen to you and just go about their business. You asked the company if they could take away, you got it, the prompt, the background color, and everybody else, you kind of asked, do you like the way it is? And the company just doesn't want to do anything about it, or the people that you talk to agree and disagree. Criticism is out there, and people just basically help let you down as well. If a company cannot listen and want to do what you like for the camera, then it's not going to be a great camera in your gear. The only fix for the issues that I'm having is not to use the DJI mic, and the prompts will never come on. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is not your DSLR camera. It's missing a lot of excellent points of the camera. If it has a focal point of 9, it has it, but does it work? Are you allowed to use the focal points only? Single focus, continuous focus, and tracking focus. That's all you're allowed to use. You're not allowed to use anything manual. Oh yes, single focus is your manual, some say. I have my helmet purposely in the shot forward. Am I in focus anyway? If I take my helmet out of the shot, I should perfectly be in focus. But I get sometimes a lot of hunting in and out, depending on the scenery. Well, I hope you enjoy your Pocket 3, that it is the ultimate camera for you that replaces your super DSLR and many other things, as well as use it with your DSLR and take it as your B-roll and backup camera. For me, it just does not cut it for my needs. I'm not a bokeh fan. I don't love a background that's always defocused and I don't have controls of it. Oh no, I'm not saying I hate the camera. I just said it's not the camera for me. But I have it, I use it, and I can't use it all the time on the bike. But I thought it'd be my review camera, where my Action 4 is the review camera that does the mighty fine job. Well, I am Fish. I had my today's vlog, and thank you for joining me.